Those looking to traffic nuclear proliferates from Russia to the Middle East or spirit away bootleg goods from the country of Georgia are now out of luck. From the snow-capped mountains on the Georgia border with Russia to the dusty plains along the Armenian and Azeri frontiers, civilians and soldiers with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers are finishing up the last new border stations in Georgia, changing this country's status from porous to secure. And it's especially important here, where numerous arrests have already been made for people trying to smuggle radioactive material through the country.
It definitely is another reason. I mean, the worldwide approach is non-proliferation, and especially for the United States, the whole idea is to push those borders out. We don't want goods entering the United States that might contain radioactive materials or that could be used to make weapons of mass effect. So we're attempting to push the borders out. By doing that, by enhancing systems, infrastructure, and equipment at other nations' borders, we're really reaching out to them to make sure that these goods don't flow anywhere. They don't get through the United States, they don't enter Europe, they don't enter Tbilisi, they're interdicted at the border and then safely stored away from harm's way.
Through what's called the Georgia Border Security and Law Enforcement Assistance Program, Corps employees have refurbished 12 points of entry and helped the Departments of State and Customs and Border Protection to build the capacity of the Georgians to control and manage their own borders.
This will be a great improvement. The previous facility was just small metal buildings, but this will be a complete system, a fully manned facility. It has area for Georgian Border Police and Customs, sleeping area, cooking area, and also perform their daily duties. 24-hour operation.
Here was old border. It's totally changed. We destroyed it here, all old buildings, and what you can see here, it's everything is new. New motorway area, main canopy, everything that you can see. We have new water and power supply system and the sewage treatment plant system also.
Embassy officials say they've been pleased with the Army Corps' work in country and their ability to work themselves out of a job.
We're going to transition in the next 1 or 2 years to allow the Georgians to sustain their own programs and to do their own construction. And we've only been able to do that because we've had excellent cooperation from agencies like the Army Corps of Engineers, who have taught them how to do things on a U.S. standard and Western standards, which will enable them to continue their projects alone once we leave.
Justin Ward, Army Corps of Engineers, Tbilisi, Georgia.